Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today is another chance for me to do another DIY. I will be spray painting my studio stand and a few things that I think need spraying. I got these paints from Amazon and they had to be matte, so I'll be using these two paints to spray whatever is left. I have a couple of things. I also got a gift from Carrefour. I lost my water bottle, so I got this bottle and I'm going to spray paint it black just because I need to hydrate, but this is just too colorful for me, so I thought painting it black would be really a good idea. So there's the stand, and there is my ladder stand in the bathroom that I will also be spray painting. So I thought to take you with me because why not? Let's head out. So I'm going to set up with a black bin bag because I don't want everything to be black all over the place. So I'm going to lay down a black bin bag and then I'm going to begin the spraying. I'm just going to go straight into it. I'm definitely going to mask up. I'm definitely going to mask up and have my gloves on because I don't want black everywhere. So let's get into it. Should sit here. Gosh guys, it is so hot. You know the way you can see stars because it's so hot, that I feel like I'm seeing stars. I feel like I need to double mask, but it's okay. I'm just going to do one mask. If there is need, I have the other one, so yep. I am ready. So I have another pair. I'm going to put it in my pocket in case I need it. I'm just going to pull it out. Let's get into this. So this is how it looks like. I think people are illegally using it as storage, but okay. We're also going to use it for spraying. Look at that. The cleaning lad doesn't do a good job. I caught him. So anyways, that's not why I'm here. So let me focus. What is in here? I have two spray paints. I have the water bottle that I need to spray paint. I have my black bin bag that I'm going to spread down. I'm going to take this and I'm going to start on the side just in case I feel like it is not coming out as it should, then maybe I might have to stop. Okay, oof, it's quite strong. It better be black. Okay, it's black. We've tried it. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start at the top. Next is the ladder, so let's get into it. So I brought my ladder and I'm going to show you why exactly it needs painting. Now if you look closely, you'll see because of the water and the wood, it was starting to get moldy and black stuff on it. There you go. So because of that, I felt the need to have it spray painted to black because one, it's very aesthetic, and also because it's going to prevent it from growing the mold. So let's get into it. I hope that actually solves that. So let's get into it.
Steady, feel the heat, let it rise in your chest. Bounce to the rhythm, no need for rest. Groove so fierce, gonna light the streets. We own the night, feel the heat. Moonlight sharp, slicing through the fog. Pulse of the beat like a heartbeat jog. Step into the rhythm like a king, it's clear. The city's alive, we own it here. Feel the heat, let it rise in your chest. Bounce to the rhythm, no need for rest. Groove so fierce, gonna light the streets. We own the night, feel the heat. Energy high, it's a thunderous flight. Lightning strikes when the flow ignites. Hands.
It's a video. Hi guys. Hi guys, where are we? Do you know where you are?
No, I do not know where we are.
You don't know where you are?
You know where we are.
I know where we are, and I told you where we are. So where are we?
We're in a palace, I think.
What's the name of the palace? What's the name of the palace?
I don't know.
What do you mean? I schooled you the whole time about where we were going, and now you're saying you don't know where you are?
I only had palace.
This is good to know that you weren't paying attention.
Hey, I
You weren't paying attention. Where are we?
in a palace.
What's the name of the palace?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness. Anyways, let's show the people around. I'm not gonna say anything. Just be a better person next time.
Can I have the stick?
No. Isabel, do you know where you are?
In a palace.
What's the name of the palace? Okay, I'm gonna take you out. You read the name of the palace and then we're gonna come back. Hey guys, so this is 24 hours after the painting. I just want to show you how it looks like. That's how it looks like. I might have to do just one more shot for the stand is perfect. It's gonna go to the house. The bottle is 2 quarts fine. I don't think it needs another quart. If it does, I might have to Wait, let me see if you can see. Yeah, that's how it looks like after 2 coats. I might have to do 1 more coat. That's how the ladder looks like now. Oops. Yeah, that's how the ladder looks like. I bet I'm gonna have to spray the other side, and that should be it. So let's quickly get into it.
Shadows.
Well, why does it so smell?
Can you smell it?
I can smell it. I smelled the smell before.
Oh, here you go.
It's actually a good smell.
Smells bad. Help me carry this.
It's not so bad from the oil from the car. Not so bad from England and that's doing. It actually smells like, you know, when you put gas into your car.
It smells like gas, yeah?
Yeah, and then you see that.
My little helper. Thank you for helping me.
Does anybody need a bag?
Am I welcome next time to ask you for help again?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, let's go to the house.
Miles, crashing waves, no shame. Flip my phone, toss it in my bag. Today's for us, no time to lag. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break. Concrete